Hello, may sample word problem ulit tayo dito. Ang sabi, after driving 3.5 hours, a motorist covered 120 kilometers. At this rate, how long will it take him to drive 360 kilometers? For the next few minutes, sasagutin natin itong problem na to. I'll walk you through my thought process para makatulong kapag ikaw naman na nagsosolve on your own. Itong problem na to ay halimbawa ng distance problem. At kapag distance problem, ang lagi nating unang maaalala ay yung distance formula, which says that the distance is equal to the product. Pinag-multiply yung rate, which is yung speed, saka yung amount of time na nagugol from traveling between from point A to point B. Yun yung idea ng formula na ito. Pero minsan may mas madaling approach. Kagaya halimbawa, itong problem na to, nung nabasa ko siya, una kong naisip na ma-solve siya sa pamagitan ng proportions. Proportions ay yung idea sa math na may dalawang ratio ka na gustong i-compare. Notice, yung first sentence kasi natin, may comparison of ratios agad. 3.5 kilometers or 3.5 hours for 120 kilometers. So, may unit of time, may unit of distance. And then, yung pangalawang part ng tanong, how long will it take him to drive 360 kilometers? So, meron kang unit of distance and we are actually looking for a unit time. How long will it take? So, merong time, merong distance, pwede mong isulat yan. 3.5 is the same as 3.5 kung mas komportable kang decimals siya. Tapos, 120 kilometers daw ang na-travel niya. Pwede rin nating ilagay yung unit para malinaw kung ano yung 3.5, ano yung 120. Sa kabila, how long will it take? Yung hinahanap ay yung unit time. So, sa numerator ko ilalagay yung unknown kasi nasa kabila, nasa numerator din yung time, which is 3.5 hours. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng variable para i-represent yung unknown quantity. On the other hand, sa denominator naman, we know that 360 kilometers yung na-cover niya. Ang tanong lang ay gaano katagal. So, 360 kilometers itapat natin dun din sa unit ng distance na nasa kabilang bahagi. So, you have a ratio being compared with another ratio. Now, we can start solving for the unknown quantity at ang unknown quantity ay si x. Kapag proportion yan at merong unknown, mas madaling mag-cross multiply. The idea is to get rid of this denominator right here para ma-isolate mo yung x. Kasi yun yung ibig sabihin pag sinolve mo, dapat isolated siya. Wala na siyang ibang kasama. Nasa ang side man siya ng equal sign. So, we wanna get rid of 360. So, mas mabilis na paraan is to cross multiply kapag proportions ang solve, which means we'll be having 120x as the product of 120 kilometers and x. And then, sa kabilang side ng equal sign, meron kang 3.5 multiplied by 360. You can always do that manually. In fact, sinasuggest ko na mag-solve ka manually. Huwag kang mag-mental math as much as possible. But if you want to save time at sigurado ka at kumpiyansa sa sagot mo, by all means, do it. Pero ito, gusto kong maging malinaw sa atin yung process. So, ipapakita ko siya. 5 times 0. In fact, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3, meron tayong 8. And then 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 1, we have 10. Add natin lahat yan. 0, 0. This is 16. This is 2. Bring down natin si 1. Now, sa factors natin, may decimal places na dapat i-consider. 360 wala kasi whole number siya. Pero kay 3.5, merong isa na decimal place. So, i-consider natin yun at i-apply din dito sa ating product. Ibig sabihin mula sa rightmost digit, punta tayo ng isang decimal place pakaliwa. Nandito ngayon yung decimal point ng ating final answer. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong 1,260 on the other side of our equation. We have 120 times x equals 1,260. Kailangan natin ngayon i-undo or alisin yung 120 sa tabi ni x. Remember, kaya nagka 120 sa tabi ni x kasi nag-multiply tayo. So the keyword is to undo that. Para mo ma-undo yung ginawa na multiplication, magdi-divide ka. So magdi-divide tayo by 120 to get rid of 120 because anything divided by itself is 1. And 1 times any number is just the number itself. So may x na lang sa left side. Pero dahil nga equal yan, dapat yung ginawa natin sa isang side ay gagawin din sa kabila. So magdi-divide ka rin ng 120 para balance siya. You have 1,260 divided by 120. You can cancel out the zeros para mas madali yung pagde-divide mo. You have 126 divided by 12. And then, this 1, 0 yan. You can just bring down 6. Hindi kasya yung 12 sa 6. So, maglalagay ka na lang ng 0. dun sa quotient. And then if you multiply 0 by 12, you get 0, of course. Ngayon, manghihiram pa tayo ng isa pang number. Eh, wala na tayong i-bring down. Paano yan? Remember that you can always add 0 here, but not change the value. Notice, may decimal point naman dyan. So even if I bring down 0 to have 60 divided by 12, yung overall value ng quotient natin hindi naman maapektuhan kasi yung decimal point natin magkatapat pa rin yan. So 60 divided by 12, we have 5. 5 times 12 is 60. Wala nang susobra. Ang ating final answer ay eksaktong 10 point. Ano yung 10.5? Again, yan yung amount of time na kakailanganin to cover a distance of 360 kilometers. So yan ay 10.5 hours. Now sa options natin, 10.5 is equivalent to, right here, it's 10 MA half. Hopefully nakatulong itong video na ito.